nice, deep, cleansing breaths. Put anything that might be in your lap on the side, and just carve out this time in this moment to be fully present, to answer the call of Spirit that is calling you to come inside, to open to the infinite love and peace and joy that is at the center of your being. So as we breathe, we release the outer world for just a moment. Release the to-do list, release the attachment to the world of effect. And we breathe into the center of our being, into that heart center where we know there's an endless, infinite pool of divine love. And as we recognize it, as we allow it to expand within us, it fills our entire being. It fills our consciousness. It vibrates within us, radiates out from us. It is this one infinite life, this one divine presence that we are. Breathing that in. We allow ourselves to sink ever more deeply into this infinite pool of love for the next couple of minutes. And so, having had this experience of this peace and this divine presence and this healing energy moving through us, through our body, through our mind, connecting us with each other, with all of life, Together we have created this energy, this healing light. And so into this healing light, I invite you to speak forth gently aloud the names of people who might not be feeling this peace. Friends, loved ones, people you don't even know. Doris, grandchildren, Lydia, Juliet, Brian. And so knowing in this moment that each of these individuals are surrounded by this divine light and are becoming aware of this peace, of this love, of this wholeness that exists within them. This is the healing moment that we welcome, that we are so grateful for. And so taking a nice deep breath, beginning to bring our awareness back into the room. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, stretch your body a little bit. And look around you, see these other faces of that infinite love shining back at you.